I wasn't going to do this, but I found this church, Kilbunny Castle. I only passed it and I came back and I said I'll have to have a look at this. So let's have a look. Deise Rebel Adventures. Let's have a look. Can't beat a church out of nowhere. Never been in here. It's out in Portlaw in Waterford. So let's have a look. Feel like a real biker now, going to all these different places. Blessed by Father Sean Nugent on the 15th of August 1986. Yeah, 1986. Cool. Let's have a look around. It's a graveyard as well, I think. Let's have a look. So Kilbunny Church. So let's have a look and see if we got Kilbunny still. Okay. Kilbunny Church. You can reach yourselves there. Isn't that kind of cool? Kilmona. Irish Romanesque doorway. Cool. Really, really cool. I love this. Let's go inside the church. Let's have a look. Really cool. Look at this. Deise Rebel Journeys. Is that what I said? Can't remember. Look at this. Wow. How cool. So this must be the altar. Cool. Deise Rebel Adventures. That's what it was. It's cool, isn't it? And it's Kilbunny Church, not Kilbunny Castle. This is some little find. I love stuff like this. Who doesn't love a good little church? I nearly said castle again. The doorway is so cool as well. Look at that. It's this fresh flower, so it's maintained as well. You know, it's a little fountain there. I wonder is that little. Could be holy water. I don't know. Isn't it cool? Look at it. Let's have a look around the side. We're not stepping on anyone's grave. Bless me if I am. Let's see what's back around here. Oh no, just around the back. That's it. So yeah, that's our inaugural Deise Rebel Adventures. So Kilbunny Castle. So from now on, I'm going to try film some new different places around, little cool places like this. I think there's a couple of dolmens around Waterford as well. So we branch out to adventures, because when you're out, when you're on the bike, you're in adventure mode. So why not? It's quite cool. So why not? So this is the cross erected here, and this is Kilbunny Church. Very, very cool. Cool find. Deise Rebel out.